Hi, I'm Joe from the Drivers HQ Detailing Training Centre, and today we are restoring some headlights on this Ford Fiesta.
City boy with a country swing. First we went from the court to the bikes, back to the course of my younger days. Lived through it all but still nothing changed. Forever be me till I'm in the grave. Face on my problems, don't run away. Stand on my feelings, don't need a chase. Just shoot me straight.
As you can see, these headlights have a lot of UV damage and severe chemical burns. There's a three-step process to restoring headlights, which is sanding, polishing and ceramic coating. We're going to start this off by sanding. We're starting off by masking up the lights to avoid any damage to the paintwork.
I've been going through the motions, trying to find my way. Never notice if you notice, so I smile and wave. All dry, stay focused, setting my little pace.
So, starting off the sanding stage with 1500 grit with a little bit of water, and we're going to use it on the orbital sander.
And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again. On business is right where I stand. Never been slipping on sand. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again. I was the boy with the plan that turned me into a man. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Oops, I did it again. On business is right where I stand. Never been slipping on sand. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Oops, I did it again.
As you can see from the 1500 grit sandpaper stage on the orbital sander, we're starting to remove the discoloration away from the headlight.
Rolling in, turning change right to paper. Turning paper to the banks. I can't lie, so I can save it. So I slip some in the safe, throw the key away. Mama been worried, but
after the discoloration has been removed, we're just left with a haze on the headlight. And then what we're going to do after this is we're going to hit it with 2000 grit sandpaper and start bringing it back to it so it's clear. And then we're going to move on to the polishing stage after we've done all the sanding areas. For those people who don't know the difference between 1500 grit, 2000, 2.5, 3000, 5 and 6000 grit, the higher the number is, the lower grade of grit, so it's a lot finer, which means that once you've obviously got this real haze here, if you hit with 2000 it's going to be less hazy. You hit it with 3, even less hazy again, up to 5000, 6000, then when you come to polish it, it's just a lot easier. You're not having to try and polish out sanding marks because each sanding paper has done that for you.
again, whoops, I did it again. I was the boy with the plan that turned me into a man. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again. On business is right where I stand. Never been slipping on sand. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again.
This is our final sanding stage, so this is the 5000. As you can see already, the headlight is already a lot clearer than the driver's side.
They say I wouldn't do it like I won't. They say I couldn't do it and they feel. They say I wouldn't do it and I fall. They say I couldn't do it and I did. I'm a champion.
So moving on to our polishing stage, we are using a ShineMate Orbital battery powered dual action polisher with a Headlight heavy polishing pad and Auto Beads heavy cut compound.
Pull up in the Cybertruck. See you got minor bugs. See me, I got paper up. Watch me how I line it up. You know I've been nice on. New boots on, ain't trying on. I've been me, ain't trying on. Sipping on some Folgers on.
I've been feeling like a champion. Gold medal on me.
You don't have to, but I'm going to do an extra step, which is a Roops medium polishing pad with a medium compound, also by Auto Bead, just to give the headlight a little bit more refinement.
Now I feel at home. I've been in my zone. I can't do no wrong. Yeah. I've been on the road. All this way to home.
And now I'm going to move on to the other headlight before IPAing and ceramic coating the headlights.
I'm a champion. I'm a champion. They say I wouldn't do it like I won't. They say I couldn't do it and they feel. They say I wouldn't do it and I fall. They say I couldn't do it and I did. I'm a champion. I'm a champion. Since the sandlot with football, I knew I would have it all. I knew I would have the world. I knew I would never stall. Been on go when I fall. Been on green.
To finish off, I'm going to be using IPA, and this is to remove any polish residue from the headlight, and then protecting it with Synergy 2-year ceramic coat by Infinity Wax. This is to protect it from chemical stains and UV damage in the future.
Work on everything I had, struggled through everything I did. Took my win, no give me me. They say I wouldn't do it like I won't. They say I couldn't do it and they feel. They say I wouldn't do it and I fall.
I'm now going to apply the ceramic coating to the headlight and making sure we've got an even coverage.
I'm a champion. They say I wouldn't do it like I won't. They say I couldn't do it and they feel. They say I wouldn't do it and I fold. They say I couldn't do it and I did. I'm a champion. I'm a champion.
We're going to leave that to bond for 30 seconds and then remove the excess.
Don't ask me why again, we tried again and didn't feel the same. The plans was fucking up the diagram. Winter overseas, I got some bags that need acquiring. We used to get cash, the checks bigger so they wire them. Plug talk, fuck the middleman, bring the supplier in. From Italy to Ireland as part of the requirements. Could've joined a union, Kid Andrew turned to fire.
And that is how you restore and protect your headlights. If you're interested in this service, please reach out to the Detailing Training Centre.
For no man, oh shit, keep it rolling. Bitches stuck in the motion, tell them stick to the program. Get kicked like Vince, your own boss has got no chance. I got both hands wrapped around the game in a choke.